In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OANDA on TradingView. This process is straightforward and will help you integrate your OANDA account with TradingView for a seamless trading experience. So let's jump right in. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to TradingView's website. TradingView is a popular platform for traders to analyze markets and collaborate with a community of like-minded individuals. Once you're on the home page of TradingView, you're in the right place to start the integration process. Next, look for the section labeled Supercharts. It's a powerful tool on TradingView that allows you to access detailed and customizable charts, which is essential for making informed trading decisions. Click on the Supercharts link, and this will direct you to the charting tool, where most of your trading analysis will occur. After you're in Supercharts, what you want to do is locate the trading panel. Typically, you'll find this option towards the bottom of the screen. Clicking on Trading Panel will open up a new menu of options that connects you to various brokerage accounts. This panel is where you'll be able to link your OANDA account to TradingView, allowing for better integration between the two platforms. Once the trading panel is open, you should see an option titled Show All Brokers. Clicking this will reveal a list of supported brokers that you can connect with through TradingView. It's important to note that while there are many brokers available, we're specifically looking for OANDA in this tutorial, so keep an eye out for it among the options. Now, when you've located the Show All Brokers menu, the next step is to find OANDA. Once you see it, there will be a button labeled Connect. Click on Connect to initiate the process of linking your TradingView account with your OANDA account. If you're already logged into your OANDA account in another tab or window, it might automatically initiate the connection process. If not, follow the prompts to log in with your OANDA credentials. At this point, TradingView will start syncing with your OANDA account. This connection is what allows you to execute trades directly from TradingView using your OANDA account, providing a streamlined trading experience that combines advanced charting capabilities with direct market access. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected OANDA to TradingView. This setup enables you to take full advantage of TradingView's powerful analytical tools while trading with OANDA's reliable platform. As you continue to explore and utilize these features, you'll find that this integration can significantly enhance your trading effectiveness and decision-making capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.